Hey, what's up? I'd like to share our Licolon trip last August 2024.
Tumakas na tayo.
Alright, so now we are heading to Station 1. So we start our hike.
Tayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Bumubulong ang hangin.
Yeah, so we are already half of our way to Station 3. So how's the view so far? It's very mesmerizing. Alright, first to arrive again at Station 3. So we survived like just 2 hours, almost 2 hours. Yeah, second to arrive. And yeah, here's the famous stone, Station 3. So this is the kissing zone. So we only have one station left, Station 3 to 4, and I think the trail was not that hard compared from 2 to 3. Yeah. Hi. So now we are on our way to Station 3 to 4. Yeah, double pay. Yeah, so this place is so beautiful, guys.
Tumakas na tayo, palayo sa maraming tao. Tumiwalay at magtago sa maingay at malabong mundo.
Yeah, so it's one of the view deck here. So we are in the middle of our trail from Station 3 to Station 4.
At niyayakag na tayo ng karagatan.
Hi guys, yeah, so as you can see, that's the crown jewel of the south, am I right? So based on the tail, we have 15 guardians. Yeah, of the So, we already met 2 guardians and we are waiting Kuya Juni to explain the other 13 guardians. So, yeah. So, come on. Come on.
No, amazing. Kinsa ni namo?
Yeah! Acting na yan sa... Acting na yan nga. Wala ginahapo. Ah.
So, ara dito ang campsite. Ito mga kawayan. Ito mga kawayan. Magigdaan.
Si Ate Dana na magdala.
Namin sa taas.
Para palapit.
Wee! Ulan! Proof naman na ulan na. Oh.
Ulan.
Ulan.
But, thank you for
Sunshine! Thank you for rain!
Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain.
Wow! Mas maka-energize ang ulan.
Ano mo pako, girl, oh?
Dili na pa ko, te!
Ay, pamilit.
Are, loko ba kung asa ito ng station, pero... Wow!
Be careful, nagahulog na kung
Be careful, kaya na yung mga hulog na bunga. Ambot, ang gabi.
Uy, nindot ang fauna, oh. Ay, flora.
Ah, tosta. Hiker ka na?
Hiker na ko.
Paulan be, paulan be.
Feel the rain on your skin.
Hiking ka, sige. Hiking yun.
Ang lain lang, dari wala kay bangko ang malikuran. Oo. Hello, marang forest. Dagdag sa mukha. Forest mo, Jun. Ano sa nito, bu? Hindi. Hi, guys. Oo, okay. Okay, mahulog ka. Pala na maligid ka, makabidyo.
Bala na, wala na yung matikang. Basta makabidyo.
So, mga pwede itong babaan na niya.
Dang.
Di pinapansin